Hi guys, welcome back. Happy 2019. I hope you had an amazing new year. I am so excited to start off the year with a cleaning video. Just a really good time, I feel, to start purging and getting your life feeling a little bit more clean and in order. I'm starting with my bedroom because it has exploded. It's a complete disaster, which is totally fine, but it's time to take care of it. So I'm gonna share with you a few tips on how I like to clean really, really fast and efficiently instead of just kind of like fumbling through the cleaning process. I think if you have a system, it can really help not only to stay focused, but for it to go a lot faster. So we're gonna do that today, tackle the bedroom, and then if I have time, I'm gonna do a little bonus declutter project that I am dying to get to. My nightstand is out of control. So anyway, I've got Lila with me and we're gonna go ahead and get started. The very first thing I'm gonna do is make my bed. Now, this is kind of a hard thing to do if you are like me and just want to attack the clutter that's all around you on the nightstands, on the floor, but you'll see my thought process here in a minute. This is actually a really great way to start anytime you're cleaning your bedroom. So I'm gonna make sure that I've got nice pillowcases on. If you want to pull your sheets off and actually wash them, that's a great idea. I'd already just washed mine, so I didn't need to do that, and I had already washed my comforter as well. Next, I'm going to grab all of the clothing, absolutely nothing else, just clothing, socks, ties, scarves, sweaters, anything that's a clothing item. Put it on your bed and then ignore it. The reason I'm gonna leave it here and then move on to a little declutter of trash, that's what I'm gathering up right now is garbage, is because as I'm down on the floor and I'm pulling things out from under the bed or under the nightstands, you find more. You find more socks. That's what I'm always finding. I'm also always surprised at how much trash there actually is in my room. When your room's a big mess, it's kind of hard to see what everything is. Like, I knew I had a lot of clothes, but like I'm finding tons and tons of garbage. If you look underneath things especially, you'll find little wrappers. It's just amazing. So go through your room with a garbage bag and just pick up all of the trash. Next, I'm actually gonna start on a declutter. I had this canister in my room forever that I haven't found a candle. I haven't found a candle that I really like, so I'm just gonna remove that because it's been there for like 6 months and I still haven't done anything with it, so I must not like it that much if I'm not motivated to buy that candle. So anyway, I'm just gonna make sure all these drawers close, kind of get everything placed where I want it, and then we are ready to attack the clothes. These are my husband's. He is going to be doing a big purge. We are going to be doing a purge together of the closet, but he has way, way, way more clothes than he wears, and his clothes are a constant problem in our room. So he is going to be doing a closet purge, and it's kind of going to take care of this constant clothing pile that he has on the floor, hopefully, fingers crossed. But I'm going to get started on some of this laundry for him. Next, I'm going to go through and dust the room. This is the Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. This one is in a nice minty scent. So I love, love, love how fresh this makes the room feel. It's really light. And something I'm constantly forgetting to dust is the tops of the mirrors. I always grab the mirrors, but then I forget about the top. So this is just a reminder if you haven't done that in a while. There was a lot of dust on the top of mine. Anyway, I'm just gonna go through and lightly dust off the top of the dresser, all of the surfaces, and all these little decor pieces in the room.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about
This is a really cool dusting hack. This is just one of those lint rollers that you can grab pretty much anywhere, and I'm going to use this to dust my lampshades. Lampshades are kind of an awkward thing to dust, but this works awesome. And then I have another trick for this lint roller that applies to any of you who have a padded headboard. Mine is fabric, so the top of the headboard gets really dusty. So I like to go ahead and take this lint roller and just go along the top, and then I'll even bring it down and just try and pull off any dust from the front, and it's amazing how much dust actually does collect on here. Finally, we're going to vacuum, and I always suggest dusting before you vacuum just because you stir things up and you're going to get some dust that's just going to fall onto the carpet. So I always recommend either sweeping or vacuuming as your very last step. Then I love running a diffuser in my bedroom. It just makes everything feel really fresh and clean. This is the Sweet Orange scent, and this was my before, so bad, and here is my after. Then quickly I'm going to do a little declutter of my nightstand drawers. So I'm grabbing 2 baskets that I just had laying around. One is for things that I want to donate, and the other is for things that don't belong in the drawer. And then I just have my trash bag here with me. So I'm just finding like random medicines, throat lozenges from when I had a cold. I found an old cell phone, a lot of papers, tons of little hair ties, lots of books, a CD, just random stuff. There is no reason this should be in my nightstand. The kids' little Kindle, it's just too much, way too much. Not a good use of this space at all. I found a bunch of cords that I wasn't using, so I went ahead and just grabbed everything out. And this is not a deep clean, so I'm not wiping out the drawers right now, but when I get to a deep clean in the springtime, I will definitely do that. This is just a declutter, and with a declutter, I always recommend going with your gut. Try and work really fast and not stew over things too much. At least that's what works best for me. Here's some books that I'm all done reading, and I also found this cleaning book that I'm really excited about. I couldn't find it, so that's another great thing about decluttering is you find the things you've lost. So it was really nice to get that done, and I'm just storing some diapers and wipes in here now. Alright guys, that's the room done. This was not a deep clean. I will actually be doing that in my spring cleaning series where I get to a lot of that like really deep down cleaning. So make sure you're subscribed if you don't want to miss that. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!